Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am back with a new tutorial and today is a full-on glitter explosion. I love glitter, I love using glitter, and I was just feeling like super glam and super crazy today, so I thought I would use some green glitter. So yeah, this is the look today. If you'd like to know how I did this look, then please keep on watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, please let me know down below what you thought about it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. And without further ado, we will get straight into it. Okay, so the first palette we're going to go into today is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This one is in the Brights version, and I'm just going to take this green shade here and start packing that through the crease and onto the lid as well. As you can see on this side, it's kind of like our main colour that kind of stands out, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm then going to go into this yellow shade. I'm not going to use too much because I want it to be quite a green look, as you can see. So I'm just going to take a tiny bit just to help blend that colour out. I'm then going to go into the Subculture palette. You don't have to use this, you can just use any sort of dark green, but I kind of feel like I'm using like the same palette, so I kind of wanted to use like not like my Lick and Lash one and like the Morphe 35C. I feel like I'm just using them over and over, so that's why I'm kind of using different palettes. But obviously you just use, if you're recreating this look, like just use a different palette with the same colours. Also don't drop it. Anyway, so I'm going to take the shade Untamed, which is this dark green here, and I might take a little bit of Axis as well, and I'm just kind of going to deepen up that crease now. So I'm going to focus them two shades into the crease, and then I'm going to use the green from the NYX palette to blend it out. I'm going to go with an incredibly light hand because these shadows are really pigmented, and then yeah, and then I'm going to blend it out so it just like deepens it up a bit and you've got like that ombre and it's not just like a flat green shade. But yeah, I'm just going to go backwards and forwards with the different blending brushes and stuff until it looks nice and blended. But again, just taking a light hand and then going back in with the NYX green as well, so it looks nice and clean and how I want it to look. I'm then going to take the Superstay foundation and I'm going to use this to cut out the centre part of my crease. It's not really centre part, actually, that's a lie. And I'm going to use this foundation to cut out my crease, just in the same shape I've done here. So a little bit of a different shape, but again, I'm just trying to switch it up, do different looks. You know how it is. I'm then going to go back in with them dark shades and just go round where we cut the crease, and then again blend it out with the green in the NYX palette. I always do this when I'm doing cut crease looks because I just think when it's darker around the cut crease and then it like blends out, I think it just looks a lot nicer and just stands out a little bit more. And like when you cut the crease, you kind of lose like what you've already done. So yeah, I am just going to go back over what I've already done. It may sound like quite repetitive and annoying, but this is just what I do, and I just think it makes the look really good at the end. I'm then going to take the NYX glitter primer and I'm going to use this to stick on the glitter, which is, I feel like I've scratched off the name. Do you have a name? I can't see the name of this glitter on the actual packaging, but it's just this green shade by Stargazer, and I'm going to use this as my glitter. So I take the glitter primer first and then I just pack on the glitter, but I do this very slowly, like take my time with it. I feel like you can't really rush glitter, otherwise it's just going to end up all over your face. So I'll take a little bit of NYX glitter primer, then some of the glitter, then backwards and forwards until I am happy with what it looks like. I'm then going to take the shade Rowdy, which is this one here, and I'm just going to run this on the top of my lash line just to cover the lash band of the false lashes we're going to put on. I don't want like a wing or anything, I'm literally just applying the tiniest bit, just like I said, to cover the lash band. I'm then going to go into the shade Electric from the Subculture palette and use this to highlight my brow bone. I'm then going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in the style Kimmy and glue these onto my lids. I'm then going to go into the NYX Slide On pencil in the shade Tropical Green and just run this on my waterline. Absolutely love them eyeliners, they're amazing. And then I'm going to go into the shade Axis from the Subculture palette and just run this very closely to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the green from the NYX palette and just use this to blend out that darker green. And that is the eyes done. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face off camera and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought about it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. Also, please do click the notification bell, otherwise you won't see my videos. We all know YouTube, it's going crazy, but that's, you know, that's their business. That's fine. They can do that if they want, but it just means that videos are just all over the place. I've just realised from my personal subscription box that like videos that I watch all the time, people I watch all the time just aren't in my subscription boxes anymore. So if you do enjoy the videos, you will probably have to press the notification bell because you might miss a video, but obviously it's totally up to you. I just thought I would throw that one out there. But anyway, thank you once again for watching. I do appreciate it very much. Helps out my channel and it does honestly make my day. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in a few days. Thanks everyone. Bye.